The sharp brow look has never disappeared. However, you can see a difference in this look from a few years ago and now. In the past, it was a strongly defined brow look, set with pomade, and nowadays it has become a more natural look, where the start is not as dark as it used to be. The sharp look is made for everybody who likes a highly defined brow shape. Okay, let's start. We start with brushing the hairs up. Okay, so when we have this done, we grab our micro pencil and then we start with drawing a very straight line. And with the sharp line, don't be afraid with making it a bit more bold.
Yes, since it's the sharp look.
Always check if you have the right starting point. So this is where you start, and this is where you start, and your highest point is going to be here. And then what is also very important is when you start with drawing the upper line, you start not from here, but you start like at 1/3 of the eyebrow. And then it's very important to keep in mind to where you have to draw. So with me, this is my highest point.
With me it's about here, but I already have a natural eye arch, so it's easy. And then for the beginning part, I like to draw backwards to create a little bit a natural effect. And brush it a lot to still smooth the line a little bit out. And also fill in the parts where you have less hair. For example, it's on the arch and the tail of the brow, at least for me.
Always be very careful with the beginning part of the eyebrow. If it's getting too dark over there, then it's getting unnatural, yeah. Okay, I think, are you ready?
Yes, I will just, draw a few lines in the beginning to still fill it up a little bit.
Okay, then we go to the second step, the micro concealer. And then we start again with drawing a very straight line under the eyebrow. Watch out that you don't get into the hairline, so really draw under your eyebrows.
You know what I really love about the bold look? For example, I made a mistake on top with the micro liner and with the concealer. You can just, fix it a bit. So after we've done the underline, we're also gonna draw a top line.
Yeah. This will make the eyebrows super sharp and super popping.
But please don't overdo it, otherwise you will get the 2016 brows. And now we're gonna blend it. So for this look, you want to keep the line a little bit more visible in the beginning of the brows. So I will not blend it totally, just a bit. And on top I will blend it all the way out. Voila.
Okay, Are you ready?
Yes.
So we can go to the third step, control. Well, Sima likes to use it with water, but I like to do it without. So, I don't know, Sima, why do you want it with water? To mix it with water?
Well, I find it easier, and you can adjust the shape more if you first use a bit of water. At least, you know, dampen your brush, but not too much. And then I will get a little bit of the wax, then put it at the back of my hand to get rid of the extra product.
Yeah.
So what I like to do is I will brush the hairs up in the beginning, and on the middle part I will brush a little bit to the side, and the end part as well. But after I will, you know, put my hairs back into the shape that I created to really get the straight line. I really like your brows.
Ooh.
Yeah. A bit higher here. I think that's the struggle for everyone. So I still see a little bit of skin over here, so I will quickly go back with the pencil and fill it all a bit in. It's really a nice look if you go out, you know.
You use the third step, in this case, really to set the eyebrow because of the wax. Also, all your other products will hold longer.
Yes.
So it's really right now, it's at least a 24-hour brow.
And your hairs won't go out of the shape you created. Perfect!
Okay.